is when we talk about our two large computing platforms, Android and Chrome. Very excited. As of this year's I/O, we are over 1 billion 30-day active users. They take around 93 million selfies every day. The team tells me about 31 million of these are duck faces. User experiences are evolving rapidly, and we wanted to rethink the user design experience in Android to have a fresh, bold, and new look.
Android, Chrome, and across all of Google to craft one consistent vision for mobile, desktop, and beyond. And this led us to a way of thinking that we call material design. Those seams and shadows provide meaning about what you can touch and how it will move. And we've also updated our system font, Roboto, so that designers and developers can use one typeface designed and optimized for every screen, from your watch to your laptop to your television.
So another area where we've improved the user experience on L is around notifications. I can double tap on a notification to launch the corresponding app, or if there's something I don't need, I can just dismiss with a single swipe. And to unlock the phone, well, this is just a notification shade, so you just swipe it away and you're straight into the device. So from here, I can keep going, or if I want to act on it, I can answer it, or if I'm busy, swipe it away. And what you're about to see is Epic's Unreal Engine 4 desktop rendering pipeline running on Android L on the latest NVIDIA tablet hardware. We have a bit of a flicker here. And we've worked hard to make sure that the battery keeps up with the performance. So Battery Saver allows you to clock down CPU, the refresh rate, even turn off background data to conserve battery. So Battery Saver is really great if you're about to embark on a long hike or maybe a long protest, and you say you want the battery to last even longer.
Both with L release and Chrome, we are bringing a whole set of new experiences to many connected screens around you.
We're right at the beginning in a new phase in the miniaturization of technology, which means that it's finally possible to make a powerful computer small enough to wear comfortably on your body all day long. Here's a live demo on the LG G Watch. You can see that it has an always-on display that at any given time shows you the most important thing we know for you. Swiping up and down navigates you through this stream of cards, which includes information from Google Now, apps running on Jeff's phone, and apps running directly on the wearable itself. You can see that there's a broad selection of analog and digital designs in a variety of styles to suit your tastes. When you swipe away a notification on the watch, it disappears from the phone. And when Jeff receives a phone call, he can either swipe to reject the call from his wrist, or swipe up to choose from one of these quick SMS replies. Now you'll see that Jeff has music controls on his watch. He can see what song is playing, he can pause the music or skip to the next track. Jeff can see how many steps he's taken today, along with a step count history for the week. On devices that support it, he can even check his heart rate after a jog. Pinterest can notify him that he's near one of Susie's pinned restaurants, allowing him to quickly glance at the details, then swipe to see a map. And if he likes it, he can start navigation right from his wrist. Today, we're making a full Android Wear SDK available. It enables you to write code that runs directly on the wearable itself. And here I'm presented with a beautiful interface that lets me confirm the kind of food I'd like today. Let's stick with pizza. And then I can quickly swipe to see and repeat my last order. Just one more tap to pay, and the pizza's on its way. When a watch is connected, the wearable portion of the app is automatically installed and kept up to date on that watch. The LG G Watch will be available to order later today on the Play Store. We're very happy that Samsung is joining the Android Wear family with the Samsung Gear Live. And the Samsung Gear Live is also available to order later today. The Moto 360 is the first watch to adopt the round Android Wear UI, and it will be available for sale later this summer. Those are just the first 3 watches.
Cars are an integral and essential part of life, and today we're happy to announce Android Auto. It looks and feels like it's part of the car, but all of the apps we see here are running on Andy's phone. The first thing Andy sees is the overview screen, which shows personal and contextually relevant destinations, reminders, contacts, and music from Google Now and other apps. Andy has access to all of his curated playlists, radio stations, albums, and artists. He can also use voice or the steering wheel controls to control the music in the car.
How late is the De Young Museum open today?
The Young Museum is open from 9:30 a.m. to 5:15 p.m. on Wednesday.
Navigate there.
Navigating to De Young Museum. New message from Hiroshi Lockheimer. Here it is. Andy, are we there yet?
We're starting with a full set of APIs for audio and messaging applications. And the Android Auto experience will be available to users with the public L release later this year. The first cars with Android Auto will be rolling off dealer lots before the end of this year.
So I'm going to talk about a different form factor, and that's TV. Today, we're announcing Android TV. And Android TV requires just a D-pad with voice input. And that can be made available as a hardware remote control, as a game controller, or even a virtual controller on a phone or tablet. And the UI provides a unified view of your channels in a familiar channel hopping UI with the channel information. As I scroll down, you get immediate access to your applications, ordered by how often you use them. Breaking Bad. Google will interpret the result, get me a result for the popular TV show. Now with one click, I can then watch it in Google Play Movies and TV or any other service that I have installed. So from here, I can actually interact with the TV. With Android TV, we enable you to take your games to the biggest screen in your house. I'm from Ireland, so I don't really understand this game. Android TV includes full Google Cast support, so you can use it just like a Chromecast. I'm super excited to announce that the entire 2015 HD and 4K smart TV ranges from Sony and the 2015 ranges of Sharp and TP Visions Philips will run on Android TV. And we'll also be seeing streaming boxes powered by Razer, Asus, and others launching this fall.
We're launching a new Google Cast feature that allows you to mirror any Android device to your television. And we're actually going to mirror in live action, which is a little nervous, in live action, all of you on the big screen.
Our journey here began with Chromebooks. Let's say you get an incoming phone call. You will start seeing those incoming call notifications on your Chromebook. If you get a text message, you would see those text messages on your Chromebook as well. We are very, very excited about bringing important favorite Android applications for users straight on their Chromebooks.
And it's been battle tested to run at 1.3 million queries per second.
Today, we're announcing a platform preview of Google Fit. We want to help users keep better track of their fitness goals. You can choose who you share what with, and you can delete your fitness activity whenever you want. Adidas has a collection of smart sensors that they're opening up to developers for the first time. And we're thrilled to announce that Nike is allowing other apps and fitness devices to integrate with Nike Fuel through this API. And of course, there are many partners that are joining the Google Fit ecosystem.
It's tough to believe that personal computing started only a few decades ago. We feel humbled to be part of this journey with you all, and we look forward to building more amazing experiences with you. Thank you. Have a great conference.